Not as much Max as anyone else's.
Hey!
It's gonna walk because you gotta walk on.
It's me with this tongue. Just stay in your mouth. It's okay.
And now I'm stargazing. You think for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Well, hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a long-awaited, much anticipated, we are finally back with a luxury haul. Can we get an applause? It's Bianca in the background. Yeah, after stacking and saving and hustling and working and sweating, we're back with some luxury items. No, I'm just kidding. But we are back with some luxury items and I'm super excited to show them to you guys. So without further ado, let's hop into today's video. But first, not without a word from our sponsors. I actually just got a package from Dossier in the mail. So I've got two here. So the first one they sent me was Fruity Honey, which is inspired by Joe Malone's Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. So the Fruity Honey is a brand new one for me. I've actually never tried any fragrance from Joe Malone, so I'm excited to try this. And then so the top notes here are going to be black currant, green leaves. The middle notes are honey and nectarine, and then the base notes are going to be peach and vetiver, girl, not vetiver, vetiver. So this is a 1.7 fluid ounce, a very good size, and per usual, the quality is amazing. It literally smells the exact same. I have had a chance to smell this in store and I've always been quite interested in it. So another huge shout out to Dossier, you guys. Per usual, I will leave all of the information about this fragrance down in the description box below, as well as a discount code to save you some money. So the second one they sent me is one that I've had before. This is the Ambery Saffron. It is inspired by the Baccarat 540, Rouge Baccarat 540. We all love this fragrance. We're not going to spend too much time talking about this one just because I have a whole dedicated mention for this particular fragrance in another video. So here is inside the box. It's going to give you all of your information, how it works, how their shipping works. Their shipping is super fast, you guys. And again, I absolutely love the quality. So once again, huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Dossier, a brand that we know and love here on my channel. Shout out to you, Roxy B. We love you. But now without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's luxury haul video, you guys. We've got a lot of one brand. I'm not going to give it away. But first, you guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I post videos relating to anything real life luxury here on my channel. So if you are interested in any of those three topics, which you better be, girl, then stick around and make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on that little bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. But pause. Can we take a second out for these claws? How amazing, and I'm sorry, claws is so cheesy, but how amazing are my nails? I'm obsessed, and it is for a reason. They are going to match one of the items. But yes, we love our nails. But anyways, you guys, also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bree or all one word, all spelled out. And let's get into today's video. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a second. So, quick OOTD, because I know you guys are gonna ask. These shorts are from, ooh girl, where are these shorts from? PLT, Pretty Little Thing. The top is from Fashion Nova. You guys know I'm super into these graphic tees lately. This one says Metallica. It's got a huge sun. Someone asked me this about my other shirt. I think it's at AC/DC. Am I a fan of these people? No. But I'm a fan of color and style. So yes, this is the OOTD, which you guys are going to be seeing this in another upcoming video. We're going to do a really huge clothing haul, PLT and FN Fashion Nova, and it's gonna be a really big styling video because honey, she's been coming with these looks lately, these looks. Okay, so first things first, it's definitely a luxury item. This is actually a brand that I've worked with in the past, but no, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my own money, but I've honestly been a fan of this brand before I started getting brand deals with them, but yes, shout out to them. It's Rose Forever. I have here this amazing Rose Forever Rose Flower box. So this is actually from their new collection. It's their marble collection. And how gorgeous is this box, you guys? So they are 100% real roses in this gorgeous marble box. So like I said, these are 100% real roses, you guys, and they smell phenomenal, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So yes, huge shout out to Rose Forever, you guys. I will link these down in the description box below if you want to check these exact roses out, but they are amazing and they smell heavenly. And I'll show you where I put them in my house because it's a super cute place.
I'm gonna be on number one.
Alexa, replay.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
Okay, so moving right along, you guys, this is a haul full of really special and very rare and hard to find items. I pride myself on being a connoisseur
Vocabulary with Brittany
of those things. So you guys have asked me about this previously, and I have it on right now because I never take it off. It's sad to say, and it didn't. This is not true. It did not replace my Tiffany & Co necklace, in my heart at least, but on my neck, yes it did. So it is my amazing Van Cleef necklace. So it came in this gorgeous little box right here that says Van Cleef on it, and then of course you get all this amazing gorgeous Van Cleef packaging. Here you have got the certificate of authenticity. It came with this gorgeous ribbon. Now you guys, this is honestly an item that I've had for a while, so the true unboxing happened a long time ago, which is why you're kind of getting the remnants. However, I'll put lots of mod shots and close-ups for you, but it is this amazing Van Cleef. So if I didn't already say, this is the holiday pendant for Van Cleef. They do a holiday pendant every year, so this is the one for 2021. It is in the stone rhodonite, which is this gorgeous pink or light pink or mauve stone, and it is in rose gold, you guys. It is very unique, it's very special. I am gonna put the price for this one right down here just in case you guys are interested. You know, I never talk money here on my channel because what is money? But yes, I'm gonna give you all the close-ups and mod shots of this beauty right here. But yes, I feel so blessed and lucky and special to have my little hands on this baby. I'm never gonna take it off. It's incredible. Okay, so next we have got a little Chanel here, and not a little, she's actually quite large. So I think I'm gonna stand up really quickly and just take her out of the box. So she is boutique fresh, which not really, because I've had this bag for probably 2 weeks. It is very special. I'm going to show you why. Okay. So, and then you've got all the, ooh, it's bright. All the Chanel little packaging and paperwork in there. So, Chanel dust bag. So she is a black dust bag, which could only mean one thing for all of my true Chanel girls and gals and boys and men out there. You guys know what that means. So, let's just open her up. And woo! Ta-da! So you guys, this is the amazing Chanel. It is the 21K. This is the Coco handle. It is in the, ooh, I think this is the small size because there's a mini and it's super small. This is the small size. It is in the iridescent blue, and it does have that amazing oil slick hardware, you guys. This is fresh from the 21K line, and how gorgeous is this? How gorgeous. How beautiful. So this is my first ever Coco handle from Chanel. It is in the caviar leather, you guys. It is TDF.
By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for Bree. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
Okay, so moving right along, you guys. Surprise, surprise, it's more Chanel. Can you hand me those, please? Yes. It is the most incredible, amazing pair of shoes. You guys. How gorgeous are these shoes? So these are the notorious Chanel dad slides. This is my second pair, but honestly, I've never wanted a pair of Chanel shoes as I did these, and for like the reason is completely obvious just by looking at them. They are absolutely stunning, you guys. I don't remember what year these are from, but how gorgeous are these shoes? So they've got the little crystal on the Chanel emblem there, the double CC turn lock, and they're just absolutely stunning. They're so cute. Okay, so next up, you guys, oh my gosh, the items just get more and more special. It can only mean one thing. It is the most amazing, I think one of the most amazing ready-to-wear pieces from Chanel ever. Now, I do have one other piece from Chanel, and I'll pop a picture of it right there because it's very Christmas-esque. I think I got this like 3 Christmases ago. It is this amazing pullover sweater. It's this teddy sweater. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love that sweater. Now, you guys, how stunning is this little baby? So this is a Chanel. It's like a I guess you could call it a pullover, or like, no, it's a windbreaker. This is a Chanel windbreaker. Look at this incredible pattern. Now, I will tell you what my inspo for purchasing this piece was. Now, I will say that this piece has been out for a while. I think at least 6 months, if not a year. So I saw the pictures here on our favorite city girl, JT. Shout out to JT. And knew that I had to get my hands on this piece. So how gorgeous is this? How gorgeous is this, you guys? This windbreaker is completely iconic. It comes complete with a hood, which I think the hood is it detachable? Girl, it might be detachable, but don't let me get to lying. But how gorgeous is this piece, you guys? The details are exquisite. I'm completely, say it with us, ladies, obsessed.
Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so last but certainly not least, you guys, and I think I saved one of the most special. I get on here and turn into a woman that does not speak English, so please forgive me. But I think I saved one of the most special pieces for last, and it is the reason why I have on this gorgeous shirt, which I'll give you OOTD details later on, and the reason for these gorgeous nails, and it is this little baby right here. So this was not purchased brand new, but she is in mint condition. I believe she is 21S. If anybody knows better than me, they can feel free to correct me, because what do we always say? We buy the pieces, we're not the experts in them, and that's fine. But so I believe she was 21S, and let's go ahead and open her up, you guys. So this is my second one of this particular bag, and I am completely obsessed. And when you see, she's 21S, she's neon pink. she's amazing. So right here, she is looking super, super like a warm pink, but this is actually a neon pink. It has got a bit of a blue undertone, and I will show you guys in the close-ups and mod shots, but you guys, so this is the Chanel 21S 19 flat bag. It is the smaller of the two sizes, and it is in the gorgeous, gorgeous neon pink. How amazing is this bag? It's absolutely stunning, and yes, now you can see my nails, and it's the perfect pink to match this gorgeous Metallica shirt. It's amazing. You know, I always like to pose with my bags, so a little thumbnail. I'm just kidding, this is not the thumbnail, but how gorgeous is this bag? I'm so happy that I have my hand on
and walk right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of.
Well, you guys, that wraps up today's amazing, amazing luxury haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, filming it, preparing for it, buying the things for it, girl. And like I said, you guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please do not forget to check out Dossier. You guys, I will leave the good stuff in the description box below, as well as any discount codes, because you know I care about y'all. I want to save you some money so you can buy some Chanel. Okay? I promise I'm not drunk. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.
My mountain.
The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one.
Did I not push this? But I think I did. I don't.
You sound like a white Kevin.
Kevin.
It's okay. White lady.
Do you remember we used to do that?
Yeah. It's Bianca. Let's hear it for Bianca. She's here all week. Really, she's here all month.
Truly.